Welcome everyone to the fourth video of the tutorial series. In the previous video, we talked about the select and select distinct statement. In this video, we are going to be talking about the where clause. What is a where clause? A where clause is used to filter records, is used to extract only those records that fulfill a specified condition. So, a where keyword command is a filter command. We are going to connect to the database. Okay, then open a new query editor. Always remember to change your working database. Okay, so what is the syntax for a where clause? The syntax is not different from the select syntax. So we are going to say select, then we are going to specify the fields you want. For now, we are going to say select all from where you're going to get your fields from. Then you include a where command. A where is used to specify a condition, and then you close. So on top here, let's select all from customers. Okay, and then we come to a where one. So we are going to select all the fields from the table we maintain customers. Now, what is a condition? What is a condition? Okay, let's make our condition as contact title to be equal to owner. So this is the syntax. You select, you provide the fields you want from the table name, where, and then you specify a condition. So this is our condition we want to meet. So it's going to return the records that are having contact title owner. Let's highlight, execute. So now let's check the title. This is a field. So this one, it has retained only those that are having the contact title as owner. So we have specified a condition, and these records have met our condition. Okay. So something to note here is not only is this where command used in select, it can also be used in update, delete, even insert. Okay. And you might ask, why are we closing this one in single quotes? There is a text field versus numerical field. SQL requires single quotes around text field. So this is a text field. No wonder we had to put it in single quotes. And most database systems will also allow double quotes. However, numerical fields should not be enclosed in quotes. Let's say, for example, integers, float numbers, decimal numbers. We can't enclose them in quotes. Okay, so let's check another table, see which table we can use. How is product? Okay, let's try to use products now, products table. Okay, so we are going to copy this one and then change to products table. reduce the size. Let's execute this one. Okay, so this is what we are getting from the products table. We've got product ID, product name, supply ID, category ID, and so on and so forth. Okay, so imagine your manager or supervisor asks you to give him records that are specifying a condition. They want to see records that have got units in stock above 10. They want to see records or information that is having unit in stock above 10. This one. How many products are having unit in stock above 10? So the products that we have that are above 10. Okay, so we're going to say select all products from products where unit in stock, they said above 10, so greater than 10, then we also close. Greater than 10. Okay, we highlight, execute. So now let's check the unit in stock. Okay, that is the unit in stock. There's 11 there. We are not going to see 10 and below, as you can see. Okay, we can also include greater or equal to 10. 10 will also be included. If we have 10, we are going to see it there. So let's check if we have 10. Yeah, no. Looks like we don't have 10. Yeah, we have, here it is. So if we say greater or equal to, 10 will be included. If we don't include the equal to operator, 10 won't be included. So we are using a where command to specify a condition. There are a lot of operators that you can use. There is also the less than, less or equal to. There is a not equal to. Let's experiment with a not equal to. Suppose they want us to give them information about the products that are not equal to 0. So 0, that's a condition. And then the not equal to in SQL, we use this operator. So first of all, let's return those that are equal to 0. We see the difference. There we go. So it says unit in stock, we have got 0. I'm going to copy this one, paste it down, and then use the not equal to 0. It will turn the opposite. So here it is. We are not going to see 0 unit in stock here. Okay, so that's how we use the equal to and the not equal to. Okay, then there's also the between. Okay, the between, let's paste that one, and then we're going to put it here. Now between what? Between specifies a certain range. So for example, we want to return information that are having a unit price, this one, between 20 and 60. 20 and 60. So the condition says 20 and 60. And then we change this one to unit price. So return all products from the products table that are meeting this condition. The condition says the unit price should be between 20 and 60. Let's run. Okay, so unit price, we have 22, 21. Okay, do we have 20? We don't have 20, but just in case we don't have 20, we can see we have 25, 21. Let's put, instead of 20, we turn it to 25 and see if 25 will be included. Okay, 25 has been included. Okay, so this is a between command. Between command operator is used to specify a certain range you want your condition to fall in. There is another operator. Let's experiment with the like operator. Okay, the like operator. Like operator. So we can say select all products from, let's change the table. Let's change the table. Select all customers from customers where contact name like. The like is used to specify a certain pattern, and since it's a pattern, it's treated as a string or a text or an object, so we wrap it in single quote, then close. So we are going to specify a pattern there. So the name like, let's say, let's put S and then the percentage sign. Let's run and then I tell you what it's doing. Okay, so we are saying contact name like S and the percentage sign. Where is the contact name? Contact name is here. So if you see this one, this pattern here, it's starting with S. So this one means every name that starts with letter S, be it small letter or capital letter, it's going to return. And then the percentage sign is saying it can have any character going after S. Okay, if we reverse, it's going to do the opposite. Let's see, or maybe let's copy this one, copy that one. The first one is like this, and then this, the opposite, and then we highlight. This now is opposite. It can start with any character and then ends in S. As you can see, there is S at the end. Okay, so let's run them at the same time. Okay, we can see the first one is starting with S, the last one is ending with S. Okay, can we specify more than one character? Yes. In the first one, there is S. Let's also try to return this one. Let's say V. Let's check. Have you seen? We have returned that one. So we can specify the characters, one or more than one characters, even at the end. Let's run this one, and then let's try this ES. So we put E there, or even T. Let's also include T. We run test at the end. So the like specifies a pattern. Then there's also the in operator. The in operator. Let's copy this one. So the in specifies multiple possible values for a column. So like this column. Now let's use, instead of contact name, a city, select all fields from customers where the city is in, now brackets to specify possible values. Remember to enclose the text in single quote. So this will be one city, let's say London, comma, maybe Madrid. Okay, so we want all customers where the city is in. So if we have these two cities in the customers table, it's going to return them. Let's try. Okay, now let's check the city. There it is. We only have London and Madrid. Let's specify the number of fields. We want customer ID, contact name, and also the city itself. Then we run. There we go. So the where clause is applying a condition using different operators. So there it is, we have London and Madrid only. You can also try to experiment. For this one, you can use different patterns as well and see what you get. For today, we end here. In the next video, we are going to be talking about the order by command. Let's meet in the next video.